Understanding the idiom, up one sleeve, a guide to English expressions. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, up one sleeve. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of this intriguing expression. The phrase, up one sleeve, is used to indicate that someone has a secret plan, idea, or advantage that they can use if needed. This idiom is often employed in situations where there's an element of surprise or an unexpected resource. The origin of this phrase dates back to times when people would literally hide things in the sleeves of their garments. To understand how to use up one sleeve in everyday language, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, don't worry about the negotiation. I have a few tricks up my sleeve. 2. In personal plans, I'm not too worried about the competition. I've got something up my sleeve. 3. In storytelling, the character seemed defeated, but he had an ace up his sleeve. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, adding an element of strategy or hidden advantage. When using this idiom, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Do not use it literally. It's a figurative expression. Ensure it's used in contexts where secrecy or surprise is involved. Avoid overuse. Like all idioms, it loses impact if used excessively. I hope this video has helped illuminate the phrase, up one sleeve, for you. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of English, and understanding them can really elevate your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll have a few idiomatic expressions up your own sleeve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.